Hi beautiful people, I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. Today I have Outré's melted hairline lace front wig in the style McKenna. I have her in the color DR Purple Orange. McKenna has HD lace, a 5-inch parting space, and she has pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. She has 2 combs at the top, 1 at the nape, the elastic band, and she also has a standard strap. On these melted hairline units, the lace is so transparent, so always take your time cutting the lace. I cut off a few baby hairs on this one because I was moving a little too fast. Guys, I don't know about you, but for me, it helps me to curl the baby hair before I even put it on my head. It helps me to swoop them a little bit better. So McKenna was about 14 to 16 inches on me. And I used my trusty Got2b glue to go ahead and glue her down. The cap size is a medium to large, which is an average. It's big head friendly. Also, when you're putting on this wig, I suggest you pull her down a little bit because the lace was a little crinkly. So after you glue her, when you're gluing her down, just kind of pull her down, pull the ear tabs down a little bit so it won't bunch up on the sides. Make sure you melt this lace. This is a very important step. It helps with the lace. It helps it to make it look more natural. I use liquid foundation in my part. I use the Fenty Beauty in the color 400W. And I'm a little upset because this lace is so good. I think my stocking cap was a little too light. Next time I'll just use my wig grip. So on my hairline, I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330. It blends a little bit better on my hairline. And I use my Herbal Essence mousse to lay the hair down and also to lay the baby hair down before I actually set it. It's just easier to work with the baby hair with the mousse. It's less sticky than when I use the Got2b. And after I go ahead and get the baby hairs like I like them, then I use the Got2b in the black tube to just set them. Then I go in and use a hot comb, the back of the hot comb, to just put a little heat on it to give it some shine and to lay the baby hairs down. Alright guys, so here's the final product. She was really pretty pros. She was easy, beginner friendly. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle that much. Kind cons, I really don't have any. The color was fire. As usual, Outré always does the color fire. That's about it, guys. Let me know what you think about Miss McKenna. I liked her. She wasn't my favorite style, but I liked her. All right, so that's it for me. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.